Ready? One. Whoa, no, it's too many. Hello folks, and welcome to Netcruzer RC. This is a video that I should have shot a long time ago when I first did this last summer, but I never did. But it's a fairly nice day out, and today's the first day that I'm actually outside doing some FPV. The Inductrix FPV Plus, when you saw my very first video on this, I showed it almost blowing away because it didn't have enough throw to fight the wind. There's a very simple fix for that. Since this is a pre-programmed quadcopter, there is no way to plug it into a computer and up the rates, so you do it all through your radio. Just go into your settings for your aircraft, hit the roll button, whatever method. Well, you have to run Spectrum to run this, so it'll be a similar menu. On the control setup, you want to turn up the travel of roll, pitch, and yaw. They're all at 100 to start, and you just want to bring those up a bit. So I've tried them at 150. 150 is almost uncontrollable. 120 is very fast. 110 might be nice if you just want to get something better than stock. I'm trying at 120. I'll show you what it's like. And the other thing you can do is go into your dual rates and up your dual rates. So I have 100% in rate 1 and then 125 in rate 2. And since I have turned everything up, I am running an expo of 30% on roll and aileron, so you get this nice S-curve. Throttle I leave alone. Yaw, I do think I control the yaw a bit as well. Yeah, I also up the yaw rate, but keep a yaw expo as well. So those two little tweaks completely change how this thing feels in the air. It makes it very snappy, almost like a race quad. You likely can't hear how windy it is because I do have a fairly big muff on my microphone, but there is some wind. It is fairly gusty. If I just take off the quad right now, I'll put it in stability mode and I'll just show you how much drift there is. So I'm just gonna put it out here. I'm just gonna let off the sticks. That's how much wind drift there is, just to give you a sense of what's going on. That rate of 120 gives you a bit more pitch, and that does help quite a bit to fight the wind. Just fly it out here. I am still in stability mode, and this is full pitch forward, and you can see how much better it is for fighting the wind. Like, the wind is blowing it this way. I'll full pitch into the wind and it fights it just fine now, where it would have almost no chance before. There's no way it would be able to do that. It could not fight the wind like that at all. Remember, I'm still in stability mode and I'm whipping it around like this, just full stick. Every now and then it gets tripped up a little bit. Did you see that weird save? You maybe not, because it would be very small in this action cam, but let me get the sun behind me too. So like I said, this is full pitch into the wind. And now let me just show you what it's like when I switch into acro mode. The acro mode, now I have no self-level, it's all me. And watch this. Yeah. Meow mode is still very useful. So let me get up here. It is easier to catch it on FPV feed, so let me just get up here. I'll try and do one rotation, but did you see how fast that was? Ready? One. Whoa, no, it's too many. Oh, am I? Because I'm in high rates. Yeah, whoops, that was the problem. I'm in high rates, which is way too hard with line of sight. So now I'm in normal rate mode, but still acro mode. Okay, now I should be able to manage one rotation without losing it. Okay, let's get up here and rotate and catch it. Okay, did you see that? So that was at 120% rates with dual rates at 100%. And rotate and catch it. All right, cool. Now, let me show you what that's like on FPV feed. Just bring it over here and land it. All right, agility. I'll take off in agility. Whoop, start the motors. And take off in agility. And I'll be able to get around here and do some acro. Well, do some rolls and stuff. Okay, so I'm up and we're gonna do a roll right there. Whoa! All right, and I crashed. But the coolest thing is that it's got the meow mode, so you can just fix yourself. And then if you want to just throw it into stability mode, now I'm in stability, flying around. Very easy to fly in stability mode. Flying up over my house. Fighting the wind fine now in stability mode, but the sun is still a problem and I'm on a monitor, so let me just get it down here. Whoa, big crash into the ground. These things are very resilient. but it's fine. All right, let me just slow it down here, and we'll try and do another roll. So now I'm in agility. We get the sun to my back. Whoa. And we'll try, no, still sun to my back is hard. I have to be flying into the wind. We'll do a roll. That's fine. Hopefully you saw that. All right, now we'll come back. Whoa. And I'm on the ceiling. Well, hopefully that gives you the point of what I was trying to show. You don't have to rely on the stock setup. You can make one small tweak to your radio and it makes it a whole different beast. All right, so that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this, I'll put a link in the description and you can get the Inductrix FPV Plus. This trick would also work on a normal Inductrix as well, as long as you have it bound with a computerized radio. All right, thanks for watching. If this was helpful, share it around. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. And if you're new around here, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.
Agility mode, stability mode.
One thing about it for sure, it's really tough. So the motors, they move up when you hit them really hard, so you just got to pop them back down. Making a video about how when you can up the rates on your transmitter, you can make it ridiculously agile, which out of the box, this is not very agile quad, and it makes it a whole different beast.